Hello friends, now I'm going to bring to you the 10 best methods to make earnings during this lockdown time. You see, almost all the people around the world are suffering due to lockdown because of this spread of coronavirus. During these times, there are some means through which we can make some useful stuff and bring some money. And the 10 money money earning methods during this lockdown I would like to bring to you are: the first one is growing vegetables at your home, the second one doing online tuitions, and third one making face masks, the fifth one making fourth one making videos on YouTube, the fifth one making websites, and sixth one making sweets and making sales of sweets, and seventh one making and selling of pickles, eighth it's tailoring, ninth making handicrafts and selling them, and tenth making service online. Yeah friends, now coming brief explanation of each thing. Growing vegetables, everybody needs food, it's an evergreen need. So for that, if you grow vegetables at your home, you can grow it on small tubs or in empty vases which you have. Put some mud and grow the vegetables, green leafy vegetables and normal vegetables, so that it will make some useful for you to preparation of your food. And secondly, you can also sell some part of the vegetables you grow at your home and make some money out of it. And second one is doing online tuitions. Because of this lockdown, almost all the schools are closed, and students, many aspirants are not getting tuitions and classes, so that you can do some tuitions, not only education oriented, you can also make arts, music and dance and other kind of fashion tuitions, designing tuitions online, and make some money out of it, and they can also get supported because of it. And third one, making face masks. Because of this corona, it is mandatory to wear face masks when you go out. So there's a huge need of the face masks all over the world. To make face masks at home and sell them outside, you can earn good money. And coming to the fourth one, making videos and uploading on YouTube. Yeah, there are quite a number of videos we make and upload on YouTube. This is one way you can earn good money. You can choose your own area of interest. It can be either singing, dancing, or making cooking videos, or whatever, the gardening or whatever you want. You can make some videos and upload them on it, and you can make some money out of it by YouTube good idea. And fifth one, coming to making websites. So you can make e-commerce websites, or also you can make your own websites, or you can also do freelancing or online and earn some money by making websites and running your own websites and posting ads on it. This is one way you can earn some money. And next one, this one is a very sweet choice, like making sweets at home and selling them online or through social media or through friend circle and all. So making delicious and very healthy sweets, you can earn some good money and maintain some good health also. And making pickles, and this is especially in India like countries, pickles are most wanted, and this is a very big time for making pickles and tasting them, because mangoes are widely available during this time. You can make pickles and pack them and sell them through phone or through other networks. And next one, tailoring. Because of this lockdown, most of the tailoring shops are closed. So if you make small tailoring works at your home, it may help your near and dear, and also you can do some works and send to your friends and neighbors and your network people, and earn some money through it. And making a ninth one option is like handicrafts, home needs and small designs like earrings, nose rings, and some other design items, or designs on your saris and all handicrafted items, bangles. You can make them at home and you put them online, or otherwise you can share through social networking and you can sell them and get some money. And coming to the 10th option, making online service. So surveys are very important for many companies, and also nowadays government also needs service. So what's happening during this lockdown and all, if you make some good surveys, and especially in online, there are some good websites where you can earn money through making service only. And coming to the other bonus one is advertising. See, advertising is the key. Many companies, they want their product to be advertised. If you become an advertising channel or marketing channel, either through social networking, or if you sell it through web or social media or your network of people, you can earn some good money. So this is all, friends. So these are the 10 plus 1 bonus earning methods during this lockdown. Hope you all like it. Thank you. Have a great day.